Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Akbar Awal, second year student of English Education Department, Class A of 2023 Tarbiyah and Education Faculty at Alauddin State Islamic University of Makassar. Today, I would like to discuss some questions as assignment test of morphology and syntax course. So, I will answer some questions. My discussion topic is about less productive work formation such as coinage, borrowing, blending, clipping, back formation, conversion, and acronyms. First, less productive word formation refer to the process of forming words which are uncommonly used to create other words in English, which include coinage, borrowing, blending, clipping, back formation, conversion, and acronyms. Yes, it does. For example, in coinage, Google changed from the name of a company to activity of use internet and obtain information. In borrowing, bamboo and padi are borrowed from Indonesian. B. Yes, I do. The sentences are enrich the vocabulary, fill gaps for new concepts, and can become widely used internationally. The differences are coinage create new words within the language itself that reflects creativity, while borrowing adopt words from another language that reflects productivity. For example, in coinage, quark is one of the fundamental particles in physics, while in borrowing, mayonnaise is creamy sauce from French. C. Blendings refers to the process of forming another or a new word with a new meaning by combining two separate words with different meanings. Blending creates shorter words that are more effective to use and more efficient to name new ideas. For examples, brunch, breakfast plus lunch, defined as a late morning meal eaten instead of breakfast and lunch. We decided to have brunch on Sunday because waking up early for breakfast was too hard. Motel, motor plus hotel, defined as a roadside hotel designed primarily for motorists. The motel we stayed at had a parking lot right in front of our room. Clipping refers to the process of creating another word by taking one or more syllables from a multi-syllabic word. Four types, namely, first, initial clipping refers to the process of cutting the initial part of a word and use the final part as another form of the word. For example, phone, telephone. Please answer the phone before it stops ringing. Second, medial clipping is formed by leaving out the medial part of a word and use the initial and the finals as the other form of the word. For example, math, mathematics. In maths is one of the most difficult subjects. 3. Final clipping is formed by cutting the final part of a word and use the initial as another form of the word. For example, gym, gymnastics. In I should go to the gym to train my body. 4. Complex clipping is formed by merging two words and cutting the final part of the first word, the initial part of the second word, or the final parts of the first and the second word. For example, Archman, organization plus man. And the Archman was responsible for coordinating the team's effort during the project. Cablegram, cable plus telegram. She received a cablegram from her family overseas, bringing good news. And Navisor, navigation plus certificate. The ship's captain presented the Navisor to customs official upon arrival at the port. Back formation is formed by removing the actual suffix of a certain word. For example, edit, editor, and aborigine, aborigines. Yes, I do, because they consider it something incorrect, informal, and unnecessary, except when it fills a gap. F. Conversation refers to the process of forming another word by converting the word class without making a change to the word's form. Three types, namely, first, noun to verb, conversion, such as bottle noun in my mother puts the tea in a bottle, to bottle, verb, in my mother bottles the tea. 2. Verb to noun conversion such as to call. Verb in I have called my twins Adam and Hawa. Call noun in I got a call from a beautiful girl last night. 3. Other types of conversion, namely adjective to noun conversion such as final adjective in she is not coming and there is final. Final noun in I got through to the final last year. Adjective to verb conversion such as empty. Adjective in Adam takes all the empty bottles. To empty verb in I empty my pocket for her. Conjunction to noun conversion such as if conjunction in if I can go, if noun in no if, please. Exclamation to noun conversion such as wow exclamation in wow, what a beautiful girl. Wow noun in I like you, wow. G. Acronyms refers to the process of forming another word by taking the first letter of a group's source words to frame a concept. Yes, it does. For example, FBI, Federal Bureau of Investigation. In the FBI is investigating the case of missing documents and radar, radio detection and tracking. We need to use the radar to detect any potential threats. H. 1. AI, acronym of Artificial Intelligence. I think that's all I can explain. I would like to thank my esteemed lecturer, Mr. Dr. Kaharudin SIPM Hume, as a lecturer in Morphology and Syntax course, who has written a book entitled Linguistics, Basic Theory and Roles in English Language Teachings, which supports the material in this video. I also want to thank everyone who has watched until this minute. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.